Hey everybody, it's Ryan with the Restaurant Boss here, and welcome to my office. Over the last few months, the rules to the game have changed in a major way. Normal, as we know it, is gone, and it's not coming back. While many restaurants are struggling just to keep up, many of our clients are quietly having their best year ever. I want this to happen for all of you. So my team and I put our heads together and created something big. See, we want to have our best year ever also, and one of our goals for this year was to reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. We are so close. So we decided to run a contest. We want to help make sure that 2021, quite honestly, kicks some ass. The winner of this contest will have their choice of a private one-on-one coaching session with me or free access to our Make 2021 Kick-Ass Special Restaurant and Operations Growth Training Bundle. Basically, this bundle gives you access to my Scale program, ClickBacon, and Restaurant Manager certification. And it's completely free to you if you win. We're going to make this bundle available to everybody starting in November, but you can enter the contest now to win that bundle for free. So what are you waiting for? Enter the contest now. All the details and rules are below this video or in the notes. And remember, systems create freedom, freedom creates value, and value creates scale. I love every single one of you crazy restaurant people, and until next week, have an absolutely amazing day.